Forge McForge face. This is the forge. This will be my first edited video with me actually in it and talking. We'll be looking into a microphone in the future, don't worry. But for now, I just won't talk much. And we're going to be making Damascus today. I have a plethora of old brand new cans or saw blades. I get my buddy to plasma cut them, which I then turn in to Damascus with these bandsaw blades, and I alternate stack them, forge weld those together, they become one steel, and then I make knives out of them, like that. This one, I didn't do like the handle on it, so I threw paracord over it, but I also do belt buckles. Like and subscribe. Here's one I've been working on. Okay, so the first step is getting your steel nice and clean and shiny and free of everything. All of this slag stuff from the plasma cutter. So I take a little chipping hammer I made on a planer bit, and that's what you're gonna see next. Okay, now that all of these are chipped off, so they're 13 3/8 and a half, and 3/16 is 12. 13 divided by 3 would be 4.3. It's always a smart idea to wear a mask when you're doing metal stuff. We got all the saw blade cut. I need to get all the bandsaw. We have finished cutting both the bandsaw blades and the saw blades. Now we have to clean the blades. I'm gonna go to the grinder and we're gonna grind them shiny. Also, let me know what you think of my new intro and exit video. Our saw blades, our bound saw blades, and we gotta clean the steel off with acetone now. So we're gonna do that now. Wow. The steel one by one, each side. Clean it off thoroughly. Make sure there's no junk, debris. Those are all clean. Saw blade, band, saw blade, saw blade, band. There's 27 layers here. Now we get to weld them together with a welder. That welder. With this welder. Okay, these are now clamped together. I'm going to weld them. We have now billet that's welded there, down there, down this back side with a handle on it. Our next step is to take this, which is extremely hot, very hot. Yay! We're gonna start there. We're gonna submerge this in WD-40 as a flux. That'll make it work. Okay, so this is gonna stay in the WD-40 solution all night tonight. Tune tomorrow. We're gonna forge weld and draw out the billet to get ready for knife shape. Subscribe. We're making Damascus. Step one, we're going to light the forge. It has to get really hot, has to run for an hour. This is the forge. I made it out of a piece of truck reach, lined it with fire bricks. This is going to run for probably close to an hour before it's going to get hot enough. Forge weld. Yeah. Now we're going to take and put the billet in there. Ready to forge weld. Next thing, I'm going to take that, I'm going to straighten it out on the anvil and make a straight flat bar. That was fun, hey? Here's the piece of steel we made. 30 inches of 27 layer Damascus. Please like and subscribe. Hit that bell. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Nice.